the Soul Republic Soundtrack Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Soul Republic Soundtrack Pro headphones. These have active noise cancellation. They are over-the-ear style headphones. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide and Soul Republic sticker, a USB-C charge cable, and a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. The Soundtrack Pro features 32 hours of listening time, 3.5 hours to fully charge, Bluetooth 5.0, 40mm drivers, button controls, USB-C for charging, and it has active noise cancellation and a monitor mode. The headphones feel solid and they're pretty light, and they come in 3 color options. On the lower part of the headband, you have the left and right ear indicators. The ear cup padding is soft, and I would say they're about a medium firmness to them. There is also adequate padding on the top of the headband, and you have the Soul Republic branding on the outer part. The ear cups don't swivel, but they do fold in for easier storage. Looking at the outside of the band, on the lower part, you will see the Soundtrack Pro printed. And there is also a good amount of travel, and each adjustment level clicks into place. It does flex and it feels tight all around. The outer face of the ear cups have the Soul Republic logo etched in, and on the left side there are no controls. You will find them on the right side. On the right side, the top of the ear cup has the status LED, volume up, volume down, and a multi-function button, which will control your playback and call controls along with voice assistant. On the bottom, you'll find the ANC button, USB-C charge port, 3.5mm input, and the microphone. The headphones weigh in at 299 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Carried all the weight on my shoulder, had me going ever once I told you no. Told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier. Play my part, boy, I had to hold you down. Hold it down. When the tidal waves come around, then wipe off what we built. Would you fight for love?
I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip, this wet. Tell her run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell her run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down that check. No drip, this wet. Tell her run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell her run it up. The 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soul Republic Soundtrack Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality was fair, and other parties had no issues hearing me during calls. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency, and range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Soundtrack Pro headphones. I found them to have a nice fit and they felt comfortable. They don't feel too tight and it doesn't feel like it's squeezing your head. The band is flexible enough. Build and quality is solid. It feels durable and has a tight finish all around. Controls are easy to navigate once you learn the functions and placement. They were responsive and had no issues with them. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 32 hours. One thing that was a bit disappointing, especially for this price point, it does not come with a storage case or carrying pouch. The active noise cancellation feature was excellent, and you can definitely tell when it's activated. It blocks out a lot of the surrounding noises. It also has a monitor mode or transparent feature, which will let you hear the surrounding noises. That worked with no issues, and it picked it up loud and clear. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, I found it to be adequate. It's tight and punchy, but not overwhelming. It doesn't feel like it was boosted, and it was just right for me. Mids and highs do come in a bit forward, and you can definitely notice it's dialed up a notch. Not to the point where it's too bright sounding, but enough for the vocals and instruments to stand out. You may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. With ANC on or off, I didn't notice any difference in the overall sounds. Overall, I feel that these are a decent pair of headphones. The sound experience for me was pleasant, and the active noise cancellation worked as advertised. So that is my review of the Soul Republic Soundtrack Pro headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.